Hello stalkers, welcome back. Friday's session was very volatile as expected due to geopolitical situations. We can see a solid red candle on the weekly chart. This is of course negative. As we know, DFM market index is still in an uptrend and I am on the weekly chart as of now. It means we are looking at a higher time frame. After taking a pause for about a month, right here we can see 4 dodgy candles. It means market was indecisive whether buyers should continue going up or sellers will push down the market. However, we can see a recent peak at 4,400 points right here. And from this zone we are seeing solid selling pressure. This zone is not yet visited. Again, we saw sideways momentum and then boom to the downside. So this gives us an indication, yes, there are chances market would like to come down from here to revisit any of the next support areas. So on the weekly chart, yes, market is now looking a bit negative. It's in bearish territory. Overall trend is still positive. But from here, if market does not rebound, then it may convert into a downtrend. Let's go down to daily and see how the market is looking. And this is the daily chart right here. We can see a bearish chart pattern that got activated last week. If you are watching my analysis regularly, I had mentioned about this chart pattern that is highlighted on the daily chart. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder that took some time to form, but then eventually we saw a break to the downside. As we know, this was our strong support area, that is 4,240 points. Many times market tried to close below the support area, but then later at the end of the day we could see a positive closing. This scenario was repeated again and again, and then finally we saw this solid red candle piercing into the support zone and broke it with big volume. For now, market is just going sideways for the last 3 days. Friday session we saw volatility in the market. It came down till about 4,150 points and then recovered a bit till about 4,174. Still nothing bullish or positive about this one. As I mentioned, overall DFM market is still in a uptrend, but we are seeing activation of this bearish chart pattern, and I think this area will be visited very soon, that is 4,140. However, if market wants to be bullish again, as I mentioned, I want to see a candle close above this area, that is 4,240. That was previously a strong support. So now when it tries to climb up, most likely it should get resisted here, come down for a correction, and then maybe it will make a breakout. Since this zone is a tough nut to break, previously market was trying to break down again and again, but it was not successful. So very likely when it tries to revisit again, or when it tries to break to the upside, so it will face some hurdle here, and then maybe we may see it going higher from here. Overall on daily chart as well we are seeing negativity. Yes, it's a bit bearish. Trend is still to the upside, but now buyers have to defend and flex their muscles to show some power. Otherwise it can even come down till about 4,080 points, that is next area of support, if at all 4,140 is not holding up. So this was DFM Financial Market Index. Let's check out ADX. So we are looking at a higher time frame of ADX Market Index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange Index. Without a doubt, this is looking very negative. Still, it's in a strong downtrend. No sign of relief on the weekly chart for ADX Market Index. Next area of support is around 9,078 points. With this solid red candle, most likely we should see more buying pressure in the market and then maybe a recovery. However, if this does not hold, then be prepared, it can even come down till about 9,000 points. So on the weekly chart, to sum up, ADX Market Index is still in a downtrend. We are not seeing any signs of relief. We are seeing strong selling pressure right from the top, that we know, around 10,625, and from here it's been making lower lows and lower highs. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. And yes, here also we are seeing negativity, no bounce in the market in Friday's session. It has closed right at the low 9,126. Check this out. Previously we know this was our area of interest that I was discussing again and again in my videos. Buyers and sellers are accumulating here. there are very good chances it can continue its upside momentum. However, it got resisted around 9,330 and then from here we are seeing a new low. This support zones could not hold, and in Friday's session ADX market index has made a new low. Without any doubt, this is negative. Overall trend of ADX market is to the downside. Even if it goes up from here, this should not be considered as a bull trend, because when the market or a stock is in a downtrend, we can see a bounce. This bounce is called a dead cat bounce. This can be a short recovery and from here it makes a new low. We are seeing exactly the same scenario. Check this out. Right from the top, it comes down. This momentum to the upside is called a dead cat bounce. We can see a new low from here. Again, similar kind of scenario. We are seeing a dead cat bounce and then it has made a new low. So overall, ADX market is still under pressure. But at the same time, let me tell you, there are certain stocks at a very good level. They are reversing now and this is a buying opportunity. Parkin is still struggling. It's just going sideways for about 10 days now. We can see strong support at around 2.78. Resistance is at 2.85 area. It was trading within this range for about 5 days and finally we saw a breakout. This is positive. Next day it took a pause by opening with a gap down, and in Friday's session, as we expected, market was volatile. Most of the stocks opened with a gap down. It came down to retest 2.80. Closing is at 2.82. This is still looking positive to me. There are chances very soon Parkin can break to the upside. Area of resistance is 2.92. I have already marked this on my chart and we can expect another momentum once this zone is taken out till about 3.05 as per Fibonacci retracement and extension tool. For now, this is still interesting till the time it's about 2.78. However, if at all we see price coming down and closing below this zone, then there are chances we can see a retest of 2.67 area. If this does not hold, then it can even make all-time low go below 2.65 area. Hopefully that should not happen. I'm expecting a continuation from here coming week and we should see a closing about 2.92. So guys, this is the best chance. Many of us are indoors due to the weather conditions. We can make a plan for coming week, and if at all market or stocks perform as per our analysis, then definitely we will make money. For more detailed analysis and my stock recommendations, do join my YouTube membership. Link is in the description box. That's it guys for now. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.